Hi, I'm Ken, and I'm going to show you what it's like to be a bachelor. First, you've got your beer. Very nice. And then, you got a giant control. To control, wait for it, my giant TV. Look how giant it is compared to me. Well, you can't tell from here, but, you know. Now, when you're a bachelor, anytime is party time. Rock on, dudes. Then, you have all these women throwing themselves at you. I mean, look at these beautiful faces. Very nice. There's room for me. Oh yeah. Next, unfortunately, eventually, it's time to settle down and fall in love. You marry the girl of your dreams. And the only problem with that is, she makes you eat things like broccoli. Dun dun dun.